From this, you can see I'm still trying to decide what cocoa mat to put in a cherry here. The good folks at Cocoa Mat set a whole bunch of more samples. The samples are bigger and they have the outside edges on, so it gives me a better idea on what they're actually going to look like in the car. And so I've narrowed it down to just 3. In looking over the comments from the previous video, quite a few of you liked the red with the Palomino dots. A number of you liked the black with the red dots. And this was the one sample that was not in the previous video. This was a new one they sent me. And the more I look at this one, this is the one I like. You know, it kind of blends well with the Palomino interior, and then it highlights the black top, the black dash, and the other black accents in cherry. I think the red here is just too much red. And I think the red dots in this black one isn't quite the right color of red. But to me, this is the one I like, and this is the one I have chosen. Now, for those of you who don't like any of these, I'm not asking for opinions here because I've already made my decision. But for those of you who think the factory mats are perfect, there's something I want to show you. Also from the previous video, quite a few of you said, well, Kent, why don't you just go with the factory mats offered by Mercedes-Benz? I've had a lot of problems with these type of mats over the years, and it all has to do with the back side here. This is what happens to these mats after 5 to 10 years. And this stuff starts getting all over the carpets. And this is why I don't like these kind of mats, okay? They're not perfect. And this is why these are going to the garbage dump. And I'm going to use cocoa mats because they're going to last way beyond the time that I own this car here.